Hi guys, it's only Alan here from Lookers and Ellesmere Port. Today we're going to talk about cruise control. Now the majority of the Vauxhall range do have cruise control in, but for today we're going to use the Vauxhall Corsa Griffin. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So what is cruise control? Cruise control is a system that automatically controls the speed of a vehicle. The system takes over the throttle and maintains a steady speed set by the driver. So the first thing you do is you turn it on by pressing this button on the left of the steering wheel. Then accelerate up to the speed that you want and pull this button down into set. That's it, you've set cruise control. You can now pull your foot away from the accelerator and it maintains the speed that you've set. If you want to, you can increase and decrease the speed just using the wheel here. And if you want to cancel cruise control, just press the cancellation button or use your foot to dab the brake. And if you want to reactivate cruise control, simply push the wheel to res. And that's it, that's cruise control. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.